Alright, next we move into system for collaboration and teamwork. So, what is collaboration? Okay, collaboration is working with others. Okay, focus on tasks or mission, accomplishment within a business or other organization or between business. Short-lived or long-term can be one-to-one or many, informal or formal. Okay, team. So when we collaborate, is that we want to enlarge the profit, enlarge our business objective, enlarge our sales and marketing, enlarge our globalization, so many things. That's why we must have the collaboration. This is what the most organization did, okay, for the collaboration. Okay, for example, in telecommunication, okay, maybe you tengok, okay, Celcom dia ada nombor 013 dengan 019. Maxis we have 017 and 012. Okay. Actually, Celcom and Maxis have had collaborate with other company before, right? If I'm not mistaken, early 2000, lebih kurang macam tu lah. Celcom and TM Touch, okay, have they did the collaboration. So the TM Touch, okay, TM Touch have 013 numbers. Celcom has 019, but TM Touch have many the people love to use the number of TM Touch because quite cheap at that time, okay, compared to Celcom, because Celcom is too expensive. Okay, so what happened is TM Touch took over. Okay, they collaborate with the Celcom, but TM Touch, orang tak nak pakai TM Touch. Macam siapa pakai TM Touch tu macam lekeh lah at that time. Okay, so apa yang berlaku adalah TM Touch collaborate with Celcom, but they use the name of Celcom because Celcom name is brand dia naik tinggi. Okay, so dia collaborate berdua. So bila collaborate, apa yang berlaku adalah your employees banyak berubah lah. If you love to stay, you can stay. Dia macam tu. So ini yang berlaku. Sama juga dengan Maxis 012 and Adam line is 017. So Maxis yang took over. So benda macam tu yang berlaku. So that's why kita cuma ada sekarang ni Maxis, Celcom, NTG. Yang lain tu yang barulah. Same goes to bank CIMB tu pun dia ada gabungan, tapi saya tak ingat. Dia between satu tu Bank of Commerce, satu lagi saya tak ingat. Okay, dia collaboration juga. Okay, they did the collaboration. Alright. Alright. And then we have team. Okay, team have specific mission that someone in the business assigned to them. Often short. Dan team ni selalunya kalau we have the project, itu kita panggil team. Collaboration selalunya between business, okay, between organization, okay, within the same business tu, maknanya industri dia yang sama ataupun di industri yang berlainan, dia collaborate together. Tapi team ni dia memang duduk sekali. Okay, team members need to collaborate on the accomplishment of specific tasks. They have to finish the task. They have to do the project. That's why they must have a team. Okay. Alright, so reasons for collaboration and teamwork: changing the nature of work. Okay, kita nak tukar nature dia. Growth of professional work, lagi segi interaction. Okay, changing organization of the firm, changing the scope, emphasize the innovation. So you akan jadi macam you ada too many knowledge workers in your company. So benda tu akan jadi lebih innovate. Okay, so kita nak benda macam tu. And changing the culture of work. We want to change the culture. Okay, change the culture is very important. So, in globalization in business juga, dia perlukan social business. Okay, so what is social business? We use social networking platform, internal and external, engage the employees, customer and supplier. When we engage employees, customer and supplier, means that sometimes your customer they love to use the social business, the social networking platform. Okay, they love to browse your company, your products, your services by using the Facebook, for example. So benda tu. So kita nak attract dia to datang kepada kita. Okay. Goal is to deepen interactions. Okay, and expedite the information sharing, conversation. They love to conversation by using the social network. Okay, kebanyakannya orang suka. Orang suka berborak dekat Instagram, tanya macam-macam, so dia beli. Dan daripada tidak beli sendiri dekat luar. Alright? And requires information transparency. Transparency maksudnya you tak boleh sorok-sorok. Everything you have to expose to your customer, employees and supplier. Right? So what are the benefits of collaboration and teamwork? The first one is productivity, the quality, the innovation, the customer service and financial performance. Benda ni mesti lebih bagus. Okay, lebih bagus. That's why kita buat collaboration and teamwork. Okay, so the requirement for collaboration. Okay, so this is the collaboration capability. You must have the open culture, decentralized structure. Okay, tak boleh centralize sangat. Kita kena decentralize. Dia ada structure yang berlainan. And breadth of collaboration. Okay, so bila kita kata dia capable tak untuk collaborate. Okay, senang tak untuk collaborate dengan dia. Kalau masalah, kita tak akan collaborate. Okay, and then collaboration technology. Use of collaboration technology for implement and operations. And we use for strategic planning. When the capability and technology work together, they come with the quality. Where you have the good quality, so the performance of your organization is good. Okay, so itu yang berlaku. Okay, so tools for collaboration, we can use email, instant messaging, tak guna dah kot kan. Tapi kita bolehlah guna. Some of the organization, they have their own instant messaging. Okay, ada yang buat sendiri. And then wiki, yang dia untuk macam everybody can look into one platform. Okay, and then virtual world. Okay, dia nak guna virtual untuk replace diri dia. Macam dia nak bercakap tapi dia malu. Tapi bila menggunakan collaboration and teamwork, dia boleh collaborate. Then they use social business, they can talk. Okay, they can communicate. Alright, itu yang kita nak. And then collaboration and social business platform, they can use virtual meeting system, cloud collaboration services, Microsoft SharePoint, IBM Notes, enterprise social networking tools. So enterprise social networking tools ni, Facebook yang menggunakan enterprise social networking tools ni, dia berlainan sikit. Dia ada juga sama macam Facebook biasa. Dia ada juga profile, dia ada content sharing, dia ada feed and notification, group and teamwork spaces, tagging, social bookmarking, permissions and privacy. Sama, cuma dia lebih formal. Okay, formal macam kita punya Facebook lebih kepada informal. Okay, mereka lebih formal. Tersusun je. Okay, tapi lebih menarik lah compare to web biasa. So we have two dimensions of collaboration technologies. The first one kita ada space. The second one we have time. Space sama ada remote or co-located. Okay. Sama ada dia boleh berada di mana-mana ataupun duduk satu tempat je. Satu lagi synchronous atau asynchronous. So kita tengok dekat sini. Okay. Kalau kita kata face-to-face interaction, dia lebih kepada same time, same place. Okay. Co-located, synchronous. Ini selalunya yang kita discuss dekat tempat yang sama. Share table, wall display, decision room. Okay, tapi kalau masa sama, remote. Okay, masa sama, macam sekarang lah saya dengan you, kita lebih kepada different place, same time. So, lebih kepada video conferencing, IM, chat, virtual word, share screen, multi-user editors. Okay. Kalau asynchronous, same place. Okay, masa berlainan, tempat sama. Okay. So, dia kena ada team room, dia kena ada large public display, project management. Sebab tempat sama, tempat kat situ. Tapi masa dia, sekarang pukul berapa dekat kita? Kata pukul 4.25, tempat lain, waktu dia lain. Okay, so itu yang berlaku. Alright? Alright. So, okay, so, for the different asynchronous and remote, they have to communicate and coordinate. Okay, masa berlainan, tempat berlainan. So, they use email, bulletin board, blog, group calendar, workflow, wikis. Okay, so kita boleh guna yang lain. So 6 steps, okay, kadang-kadang kita nak pakai software, kita kena ada evaluating tools, okay. So the first one, what are your firm's collaboration challenges? Bila kita nak apply satu-satu software, and then what kind of solutions are available? Okay, bila dah tahu ini masalah dia, so solution apa yang ada, and then we have to analyze, okay, the cost and benefit, the pro and cons for that particular software, and then we have to evaluate the risk, consult the users for implementation and training issues, ada masalah ke tidak, and then baru kita akan evaluate the vendors. If everything macam lebih kepada bagus, so baru kita akan menggunakan satu-satu software. And this is who are the people, okay, in the information system. So kita ada information system department, kita ada ini semua atatanya chief ni semua bos-bos Information system department, we have the CIO and chief security officer. Security officer ni untuk secure from the virus, from the hackers, from the thief. Kita ada banyak pencuri data semua kan. And then kita ada management officer, kita ada chief privacy officer, chief knowledge officer, chief data officer, and information system manager, kita ada system analyst dan juga programmer. Ini semua adalah duduk di dalam information system. So all these will serve the end user. Okay, so end user adalah representative of other departments for whom applications are developed. Pengguna sistem kita tu. Okay, orang ni semua akan serve dia. And will increase the role in system design and development. Okay, so I finished the second topic. So you know this person, right? Okay, this is Steve Jobs. Okay, he's very famous. Okay, great things in business are never done by one person. So you must have the teamwork. You must collaborate to others to make sure you can do your job very good, okay, and excellent in the business. Okay, thank you, class. If you have any questions, okay, we can discuss in the Telegram. Thank you.